Closed Caption Creator supports two options when it comes to exporting subtitles with transparent backgrounds or alpha channels. The first option is image-based subtitles, which can be used for authoring DVDs and Blu-rays. To export image-based subtitles, go to File, Export, and select Image-based Subtitles. Select your target folder where the images will be saved. You can update the subtitle styling and generate a preview before hitting Export. Once you're happy, please click the Export button. Your subtitle images will start exporting along with a Blu-ray XML file. The second option that we provide is an Apple MOV Animation file or ProRes444 file available in the video export presets. Click Export when ready. The benefit of exporting a video file with transparent background is that it allows you to support video editing software that may have limited subtitle support. In this demo, I have a project open in Adobe Premiere Pro. I can simply import my animation MOV file and drop it on the timeline. It lines up perfectly and the captions appear over top of the video. The editor doesn't have to do any additional work. If you have any questions about workflows involving image-based subtitles or MOV animations, please reach out to our support team. To get started with Closed Caption Creator, please visit www.closedcaptioncreator.com.